Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the Minimalist palette from Profusion. And it comes with like a clear plastic sheet over it that has all the names. I took it off and I stuck it up to the top so maybe I could keep up with what I'm using. But kind of like what Morphe does, it's just a clear plastic with the names on it so you know what shades you're using. But we are going to play with this today, see what kind of look that we're going to come up with, and if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. I'm going to throw up my hair. Take off my glasses. I usually swatch. I've been trying to swatch palettes, but this one, I don't know if I'm going to be able to. That might be a whole nother video, swatching this palette. Let me know if that's something you want to see, but that would take quite a while for me to swatch all these shades. I don't even know how many shades are in here. 35 shades. So that's a lot of shades to swatch. So just let me know down below in the comments if you'd like to see me swatch this palette, and I'll try to do that for you if you are interested in that. Alright, the first shade I'm going to go into, I'm going to take Lovely right here. And I'm going to put that in my crease using a pointed crease eyeshadow brush ES3 by Profusion. Alright, now I'm going to take the brush that came in my other palette yesterday. It's just a blending brush, but it's a little bit shorter than my other brush, a little more stiff. And I'm going to go into Honeymoon, which is right here. And I'm going to actually put that in my outer corner and in my crease. Alright, now I'm taking the small pointed eyeshadow ES6 brush from Profusion. It's just a little bitty pointy brush. And I'm going to take brown sugar right here to deepen up that outside corner. Alright, and now I'm actually taking a Alter Ego number 6 brush. It's really good for putting on shimmers. I'll show it to you. It's just flat, but it's a little fluffy. I don't know what it is about this brush, but it's just so good at putting on shimmers. And I'm going to take this shimmer right here, which is called Heart, and I'm going to put that on the inner half of my lid. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this Wonderland shade right here, and I'm going to just put that over top of my shimmer. I'm taking a cotton round, some micellar water, and I'm going to clean up any fallout, or I did have a little bit of fallout putting on that glitter shade. Alright, now I'm taking the Revlon Photo Ready Pore Reducing Primer. And I'm going to put that on real quick. I'm taking the number 7 Lift and Eliminate Triple Action Serum Foundation in, what's my color? Cool Ivory. And I'm going to dot that on my face first. And I'm taking my Sigma Multitasker F47 brush and I'm going to blend that out. And I'm taking the number 7 Lift and Eliminate Serum Concealer in Fair. And these two I got, you can get at Target online and in some stores, and you can get them at Walgreens online. They're kind of the companions to the famous powder that I love, that I use every time. I'm gonna blend that in with my concealer brush. And I'm going to set my under eyes with the number 7 Lift and Eliminate Triple Action Finishing Powder in Light. And I'm using just my Sigma Extreme Structure Contour Brush F04. I'm taking the Nomad Cosmetics Sydney Bathers bronzer palette. I think it's got highlights in here too. I'm going to take this bottom shade right here. I'm going to bronze up my face. Ooh. Pigmented. It's been a while since I've used this. Going under my chin and down my neck. I'm taking the Pixie by Petra Fresh Face Blush in Beach Rose. I'm going to use that to put some color on my cheeks. Speaking of Pixie, so I saw on Instagram Alamar Cosmetics is coming to Target, which I'm kind of super excited about. I was thinking about getting the Spanglish palette, but supposedly it's supposed to come in BoxyCharm possibly, so I was kind of wanting to wait and see if it came in BoxyCharm, but might go ahead and buy it and do a review of it. It looks really pretty. Oh, and we're going over the nose to be sunburnt and sun-kissed. I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Palette. Let's see. Let me take this one at the bottom. It's called Blushing Azalea. And I'm going to use that to highlight my face. This is a really pretty palette. And it's not super expensive. I got it on Wet n Wild's website when I ordered the Kuroki or whatever that was, Kurobi, whatever that was for my daughter. She wanted those palettes that came out. Going down the nose. Cupid's bow and chin. I'm going to take the Honeymoon shade and put it on the outer third or half of my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take Heart and I'm going to put that the rest of the way. Taking my BK Beauty 207 just pencil brush, and I'm going to go into Shivers right here. And I'm going to put that in my inner corner. I'm taking Essence Lash Princess and going to put that on my lashes. Alright, now for lips, I'm taking the e.l.f. Retro Paradise lip liner. And I think this is Nude 1. It doesn't say, but I think this is Nude 1. I'm going to use that to line my lips. Alright, now I'm taking the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Topaz. And I'm going to put that on my lip. Taking the Maybelline Glass Spray. And I'm going to spray my face real quick. Alright, this is the final look using the Profusion Minimalist palette. I have fun. I love the glitter in here. I went a little crazy with the glitter, but I love it. But I love the shades that I use. They blend it out perfectly. I love Profusion's formula. So it's the same formula that they always have. I don't know if I've ever played with their glitters though. So they laid down very well. I think the glitters were perfect. I was able to use a brush to put a little bit on my eyes. Well, I say a little bit, but it's actually a lot of bit. I really enjoyed playing with this palette. I think that it's a great buy for $13. You can't go wrong for 35 shades. $13, that's not bad at all. I don't think that it's like super repetitive like the Morphe palettes seem to be, or bigger palettes. If you notice, there's browns, but they're very different shades of browns, different tones. I think they did really great putting this palette together. I like that they put in the pinks and the purples. I just overall really enjoy this palette. And remember that they're having their Labor Day sale, so it's 40% off with code LABOR40 at checkout. So you can pick this up if you like to, if you're interested in it. Also, I'm at 47 subscribers. I'm going to do a giveaway at 50, so we're really close. I still have to mail out the other giveaways. So I haven't forgot about you guys. I've just been super busy and haven't had a chance to get to the post office. So I'm going to be giving away either the ColourPop Sweet Talk palette, I think is what it is, and a Juvia's Place Nubian palette. Either one of those will be the choice. So look for that. Share or tell your friends so we can get to 50, and just let anybody that loves makeup know that we love playing with makeup on my channel, so they might love it. But I think that's gonna be all. We went over the palette and talked about how much I enjoyed it. Talked about the giveaway. So I think I've covered everything that I need to cover. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that is going to be all for me, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye y'all.